In recent times, human activities have transformed the face of our planet. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change have left their mark, altering the very nature that sustains us.
The consequences are evident: polluted air, contaminated water sources, and ecosystems struggling to survive. Our mission is clear: to sensitize our school community about the profound effects of these changes on our daily lives. We, students of Ampere Schools Group, have taken up the responsibility to be the ambassadors of change. We believe that awareness is the first step toward action, and through our initiative, Green Footprints, we aim to inspire everyone to become stewards of our environment.
The world is suffering from many environmental problems, mainly because of pollution. So, the students of the 6th grade chose to talk about the pollution as it's the biggest enemy, problem causer, and life destroyer of the environment. They will also talk about recycling, one of the best solutions to stop pollution.
Environmental pollution is the world's largest cause of death and disease. Nowadays, our environment is being highly polluted. Pollution is broadly of four types: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise. The poisonous gases such as carbon dioxide, released from motor vehicles, burning of fossil fuels, factories and power plants cause air pollution. We should come forward to put an end to it and enjoy happy and better life. Thank you.
It's just like how I can make with an empty water bottle a pencil case and with an empty soda can a vase. Recycling is helping the environment, and by helping the environment, we could make our environment much cleaner. By hurting the environment, we are hurting ourselves, because we are part of the environment. And if we keep hurting the environment and littering it and throwing trash in it, we might get sick or die eventually.
What about sunrise? What about rain? What about all the things that you said we were to gain? What about killing fears? Is there a time? What about all the things that you said was yours and mine? Did you ever stop to notice all the blood we've shed before? Did you ever stop to notice this crying earth, this weeping shore? What we've done. What about all the peace that you pledged your only son? What about flowering fields? Is there a time? What about all the dreams that you said was yours and mine? Did you ever stop to notice all the children dead from war? Did you ever stop to notice this crying earth?